வெல்கம் பேக் டு தி எம்ஆர் அகாடமி. இது மாணவர்களுக்கான தளம் மட்டுமல்லாமல் வேலை தேர்வர்களுக்கான தளமாகவும் மாற்றமடைந்துள்ளது. உங்களுடன் நான் ஜி சக்திகுமார், எம்எஸ்சி பிஎட், பிஜி அசிஸ்டன்ட் in computer science. And in this video, we are discussing about the 11th computer science and computer application subject, working with Windows 7 part 3 video. Now we will get inside the video. And this is we are continuing with the Windows 7 for 11th computer science and 11th arts. We are continuing with that managing files and folders. Before that, if we are opened any of the application, means we can close with the option of right side corner of the window. We have the into mark button is there. That into mark button, if you are click that into mark button, that whole application will be closed. Otherwise we can close whether it is a document page, working page, we need to close means just select file, close, and we need to quit from the document. That means total software means we can use file, exit, right? And then managing files and folders in Windows 7. What are the process we can do it related to files and folders means we can organize our document and the programs in the forms of files and folders. Normally if we are creating a file means in MS Word or MS Excel and any other Photoshop, like we can store in the folders, in the drives, right? And first of all, here we are going to see the creating files and folders. Directly we have different methods. We have to use, we can create the folders or files. First of all, creating folders means we can store the files. If we are creating MS Word means just we are selecting files, save option, and the save dialog box are opened, and on that we can select the drive option, and after that inside we have some of the folder name, and we can select it and we can use it, right? We can select and save the document. And if we need to open a new folder, create a new folder means there are two ways. First of all, first method is just open the computer icon. That means my computer option or this PC option, and then open any of the four drives. That means except C, because of C drive is used for especially for softwares. So here we are used for the we can named after creating the folder, and then we can use it, right? And this is the procedure. We are creating the new folder. The two methods are there. Directly we can open with the help of file menu option. That's our method. And another method is directly we can right click on the screen and then open it, create a new folder, right? And then next, creating files in WordPad. Whenever we install the OS, in default the WordPad software is there installed, right? And how can we open that WordPad means just go inside the go to the start button and select from the all programs. After that, select the accessories. After that, WordPad is there and select. This is one method to open the WordPad software. Or otherwise, we have another method is there. Directly go to the start button and run option is there. Just click on the run option, and then text box is opened with the dialog box. Just directly type the word code in the text box and click enter button or OK button, then the word code will be opened on the screen. After that, if you need to save the document means, go to the file option and select the save option is there after selecting the file option, and we can choose it. Or otherwise we have another one method is to have for the store the document means control S option, and save as dialog box be opened. After that one drop down list box is there on the top of the document, top of the dialog box, and we can select the drive from the drop down list box. After that we can put the name as a file name text box and click save option. The document will be saved with the specific name, and the screen they are mentioned how the new folder is created, and after that the second method is also showed on the screen, right? Just right click and make a folder, and after saving the document we need to open it again means, right? For the purpose we have finding files and folders, right? Finding files and folders. For this option, we have stored a folder. We have created a file or folders, but we are forget the name, the location of the file or folder. But we remain the name for that file or folder, and using that we can search that option that search that file and folder, and we can select from the system. For that purpose we can use find a file or folder search option. Click on the start button. The search box will be appear on the bottom of the start menu, and type the name of the file, particular file with the extension, right? And after that give the search option, specific names we need to type that, and click the search option. That system will be searched from the system, and that will be shown some of the files on the system. And if you need to see all the things means see more result option is there in which appears on the search box, and in dialog box all the related files and folders will be displayed in list out on the screen. Like here in the right side is there files 33, totally 33 files are there related to searched file, right? And then directly we can go to the computer icon, that means this PC or my computer option. From the desktop or from start menu we can go anywhere, any kind, and after that the computer disk drives are there, and in the top of the window we have search box is there, and type the name of in that text that search box, and click enter, and system, and here in the screen the list of the files are displayed related to searching option, searching window, right? Searching files. After that using this PC or my computer we can use this kind of search option. The window, in the window the files are displayed like this in the on the screen. And next, opening existing files means just already saved document we need to open means just click file menu option, and open option is there, just click on the open option and select the specified file name from the dialog box, and we can open it from the system. And then renaming means already there some name for the file or folder, and we can using this option we can rename that file or folder. And how can we do this means, just click on the folder option and right click the folder option. Just click on the file menu. First method is, we have two methods there for the renaming the file. One is select the folder option and go to the file menu option, and we have rename option, and then just click on the rename option, and the provision is there for the retype the name, and finally we can click enter, press enter key, and that file name is renamed. And this is one of the method 2 means just select the file or folder which you need to be renamed, and right mouse button right click on the that folder name, and rename option is there from the pop-up menu, and we can select directly, we can type the name and press the enter key, and the name is renamed. Okay, this is the option we can, this is the two methods are used for the renaming. Just in the screen they are point out. You can type directly like this, right? This is the method. And the third method is also there. Select the file or folder you wish to rename, and then we can press F2 key, right? Function key, F2 key, that rename option will be created. Like surrounded rectangle will appear on the around the name of the folder, and we can type the new name, and we can finally enter key. Lost. That name will be renamed. These are the various methods we can use, right? And moving or copying the files. Using cut paste. If we need to move means we can use cut option, file or folders. First of all, we need to select the particular file or folder which we need to move or copy. First of all, we need to cut means we can select the file and go to the edit menu option, and after that cut option is there, we can select off. Other than that, we have one shortcut key is there, Control X option. We can use it, or click cut box. That means right click on that particular file name, and we can have cut option from the pop-up menu. We can use it. And where we need to paste the file, that means where we need to go to that file movements, we can go the specific location, and we can right click paste option we can use, or other than that edit menu option we can select the paste option. Other than that, Control V option is also there. We can use these three kind of methods. We can cut and paste, that means move the files. And another method is just click on the folder name or file name, or drag over the screen, and where we need to place the file means then mouse button is released, mean that file will be simply move on the specified location, right? And this is the method, they are in this system, they are mentioned. And next one is copying the file, same format, but copying the file means just select the file and edit option, copy option, or otherwise we have shortcut Control C, or otherwise right click on the screen that particular folder and select the copy option from the pop-up menu. And the same procedure, where we need to paste, just go to the place and edit paste option or Control V option, or right click on the screen and paste option. This is one method. And drag and drop, this is also, and just click and drag the file and goes to the particular place, right? And copying folders and to the removable disk, same option. Copy paste also the method we can use, and send to option is there. Copy paste we already know, just edit copy and edit paste. one specific location or start button to the computer, we can select the particular removable disk. That means a pen drive or another CD or that thing. Sorry, pen drive or floppy disk like that, USB like that. So we can just open it and paste the file particularly. And then next one is we need to have just select the folder or file name and right click on the name, and send to option is there. Click on the send to option and that will be given some of the location name, and we can select particular specific name is, then that will be the file will be transferred to the specific location. And we need to have know one differentiation. What is the copy and paste means? Move and copy. Move means specific target position only have that file, but copy option is there for the source and destination. Both of the place the file is there, right? This is the one option. And further topics will be discussed later, right? Thank you. And this is the end of the video from the MR Academy. And further topics in this lesson we will discuss about in the next part of the video. So thank you again from the MR Academy. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment the channel.